How to remove followers on TikTok without blocking. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To remove followers on TikTok without blocking them, you can do so quite easily. Basically, click on your TikTok application and make sure to log in into your account if you have not yet. Once you have successfully logged in, ensure that your TikTok application is up to date. Now to remove follower without blocking them, just click on the profile icon that will be in your bottom right corner. From here, check out the followers option. Right in the followers option, you will find various of follower. Navigate to the one that you wish to remove. If you cannot find a follower from here, you can just tap on the username in the search bar. Now to remove them, just click on the three dots next to the username and tap on remove this follower and tap on remove for confirmation. This will allow you to remove follower on TikTok. And yes, you will have to follow this step for entirely if you wish to remove multiple of follower. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.